Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
The folder pane in Microsoft Outlook is the vertical column located on the far left side of your screen. It displays your inbox, sent items, drafts, and your custom folders. If you cannot see this pane, it is likely hidden or minimized to save space. You can restore it quickly by following these simple steps. First, look at the top of your Outlook window and click on the View tab. In the Layout section of the ribbon, find the button labeled Folder Pane. Click this button to see a drop-down menu with three main options. Select Normal to keep the folder pane visible at all times. If you choose Minimized, the pane will shrink into a thin strip. Selecting Off will hide the pane entirely from your view. In the newer version of Outlook or the web app, the navigation bar might appear as a vertical strip of icons on the far left. You can click the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu, to expand or collapse the folder list. Sometimes the pane disappears because you accidentally clicked the small arrow at the top of the folder list. Clicking that arrow again will pin the pane back into place. Keeping this pane visible helps you organize your emails and move between accounts much faster. If you use multiple email addresses, the folder pane is essential for staying productive throughout your busy workday. Now you know where to find your folders and how to fix the layout if it ever goes missing again. This simple fix works for most versions of the software used in offices today.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.